How to transfer notes from Android to Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Find three dots, search button and plus button. You need to simply click on Manage Cloud Storage at the top. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure your cloud drive is turned on. If you click on Cloud Drive, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. What you need to do is click on Notes at the bottom. After you click on Notes, make sure Sync is turned on, which is Cloud Sync of Notes. After you turn this on, simply use the same cloud on your other Android device, which will link this device and then sync all your notes and transfer it there. There is no other way to simply transfer it from Android to Android, but what you can do is log in this account and transfer all your notes. This is how to transfer notes from Android to Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.